Hello everyone. I hope that you all are good. And today I am going to Ravindra Bhavan Hall, Savarde, and there is a program related to career guidance. So guys, right now I am in the bus and finally guys I have arrived Ravindra Bhavan Hall and I will enter within half an hour. Finally guys, we all are to hall. So finally guys, we all have entered. You can see. So finally guys, I have taken my seat.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning, South Goa. When I went to Penjim and north part of Goa, I was asking which part of Goa is really good. They said the North Goa. What do you think? Is North Goa better than South Goa? South Goa is better. Are you sure? Yes. For sure. Because you are staying in South Goa. Do you all understand English? Everyone? Yes. The girls and the boys here for you. Sure you all understand English? Okay, yes, I think the smart thing. What am I going to speak? I'm not going to bore you. For an hour, we're going to indulge in some conversations. Speak lots of things to you. It'll be fun. I'm sure I was asking a lot of questions because when I meet young children, I think all of you are in 11th or 12th. How many in 12 by the show of? Fine, chalo. I think 11 people who was attending this session are really lucky because in 11th standard you have a little more time. 12th standard a little late because you're already in the month of September and in the next 6 months you have boards. This is arts and humanities is what I'm understanding and the vocational. Do you all agree? Do you all agree? It's not going to be a monologue कि मैं आके बड़ कर रहा हूँ तुम लोगों को साथ में बात करना मेरे साथ you to talk. It should be a dialogue and not a monologue. Are you ready for the next 60 minutes to be with me? Quick! For sure? Smile look at it. Jabardast थोड़ी exam दे रहे हैं. Be happy. Sitting in auditorium, and I'm going to speak something about your life. Okay. Most of the youngsters that I meet. Okay. Let me start with one humanities girl that I met last week. One was my flight to Indore. मैं सुबह फ्लाइट में आज दिल्ली में 5 बजे का फ्लाइट था. Chandrakant said the same thing. But same day I was traveling last week to Indore. Early morning I was sitting next to me in my flight was girl and a brother. Girl was your age, 16, 17 time. सुबह early morning उसका भाई बहुत बड़बड़ कर रहा था. I was like somehow I was half sleepy. So I wanted the brother's mouth to shut early morning, you know. And सुबह उठ के अरे अचानक I got really irked because I was in Air India. The flight took off. उसका भाई उसके बैग में almost half sleepy, about to take a small nap because I had an important seminar to give. And then brother is telling Didi, Air India, I hope we'll land safely. So मैं नीचे उड़ गया बोला अरे भाई शुभ बोलना. Air India incident has happened a few months back. It was so tragic, and I almost started counting that 60 seconds get over 1 or 2 minutes when it was completely airborne. बोला ठीक है भाई अभी safe है. करके फिर मैं वो लड़का बड़ कर रहा था. I wanted to get his mouth shut. So I started talking to his sister. I said, child. Are you good traveling alone? So she said yes. I like wow. मैंने उसके भाई को भी वो भी बड़े कर रहा था. मैं बोला कि where are you going? तो उसका भाई मुझे बोलता है isn't the flight going to Indore? मैं बोला इसका मुंह मैं बंद कर रहा हूँ मेरा मुंह बंद करा रहा है. तो बोला हाँ यार प्लेन तो इंदौर ही जा रहा है. तुम्हें बहुत ज़्यादा उस्ताद लग रहा है. 3rd स्टैंडर्ड में होगा उसका भाई. तो बोला हाँ छोटा था 3rd में. उसकी बहन से मैं उसका इसे मैं बोला कि भाई से ज़्यादा बड़बड़ करके मतलब पूरा फ्लाइट हैरान करेगा. I started talking to his sister again. Which standard are you in, child? She said I'm in 11th grade. I said which school? So in India, 11th, 12th is all school. Some part of Goa, I think maybe college. Otherwise, it's school everywhere. Are you all there? मेरा लाइफ में 2 टाइप के लोग धरती पे पैदा होते हैं. एक जो दूसरे के लिए ताली बजाने के लिए पैदा होते हैं, और दूसरे लोग जिसके लिए लोग ताली बजाते हैं. One who is a performer, another who is a mere spectator. One who is a leader, another who is a cheerleader. Decide in life what you want to be. खाली ताली बजाने और हंसी लेने के पैदा हुआ है कि यू वांट टू डू समथिंग एंड मेक योर बर्थ ऑन दिस अर्थ ऑफ सम वर्थ, उसके लिए पैदा हुआ है? दैट इज द टाइम इज नाउ. इट इज नॉट वन मैन हु इज एट 70 प्लस absolutely as a grandfather's age. Every day he is hopping from country to country. It is not his job to make India better. It is our job to make India better. Do we all agree? Yes or no, children? हाँ या ना? जो कपड़े पहन रहे हैं, जो थाली में खाना खा रहे हैं, उसमें हम छेद नहीं करेंगे. खाली विराट कोहली, रोहित शर्मा, धोनी, रॉजर फेडरर, मेसी, रोनाल्डो, माइकल फेल्प्स, इन लोग को लिए ताली बजाने के लिए पैदा नहीं हुआ है. खाली इंस्टाग्राम पे फालतू रील देख के कमेंट मारने के लिए पैदा नहीं हुआ है. अननोन रील्स और पोस्ट पे देख के अय्याशी करने के लिए पैदा नहीं हुआ है. घर पे तुम्हारे माँ बाप मेहनत कर रहे हैं, पसीना बहा रहे हैं, एंड तुमको अच्छा पढ़ाई करके अच्छा जीवन दे, उसके लिए आई हैव नॉट मेट एनी पेरेंट्स who eats better food than the food they give to their children, who will wear better clothes they give their children to wear. All your parents are putting the best efforts that you children live a better life. Can we clap for your own darling parents loudly, everyone?
Going to back to my room, and I have been waiting for a bus for an hour, but it's very hot day today. And you can imagine what's going on with me. कैरियर गाइडेंस इवेंट जो है गाइस वो ख़त्म हो चुका है. आज का दिन बहुत ही गर्मी है, हालत हो चुकी है मेरी ख़राब. तो गाइस